Do you know the #1 pain point for bar and restaurant owners and managers? I do, and I'm going to share it with you right now. Greetings and salutations, Dave Allred, the Real Barman here from barpatrol.net. So what is this pain point I'm talking about? Maybe it's not your #1 pain point, but I bet it's at least in the top 3. And what I'm talking about is dealing with your staff on a daily basis, trying to motivate them and follow up with them, make sure they're on task, and make sure they're doing all the right things in your business to help it succeed. It can drive you insane. And without a proper training system in place, your insanity will grow until you end up in a padded room, hugging yourself, rocking back and forth in your funny little jacket with buckles on it. It's a straight jacket. You knew that. But the truth is, your servers and bartenders and bussers are the foundation of your business, the face of your business, really. They deal with 95% of the customer interaction, depending on how much the owners and managers actually visit the table. So why would you leave it up to chance and hope that they're going to deliver the message that you want them to deliver and hope that they're going to maximize your sales? Think about it. They're the reason guests will decide to come back again or go somewhere else and never return. Or, worse yet, speak poorly about you to someone else because the staff wasn't prepared to offer the service and expertise to wow them in their experience. And then those people speak to more people who speak poorly to more people and blah, 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 blah. The beat goes on. My point is, they are the reason your sales will grow. They're also the reason why your restaurant's reputation will grow. And they're also the reason your restaurant might go out of business if they're left to wander aimlessly like a litter of newborn kittens. So, what's the answer? Because staff training is not something to be taken lightly. If you don't invest in training, you're shooting yourself in the foot and the wallet. How important is it? Check out these stats. Did you know that restaurants with comprehensive training programs in place have 218% higher income per employee than those that don't? Did you also know that those same restaurants with training systems in place enjoy a 24% higher profit margin than those that don't? In addition, comprehensive training programs set clear expectations and standards for the staff, which in turn provides them a confidence and a pride to be working at a place that instills a culture that focuses on teamwork and caring. And what in the hell does that mean? It means that employees who feel engaged and who feel that you have their best interest in mind will outperform those who don't by 202%. That's right, 202%. Are you freaking kidding me? And this is especially true in the restaurant industry, where customer service is the #1 strategy for packing your place, increasing your sales, and crushing your competition. Not your menu, not your pricing, not even marketing and promotions. In addition, having a kick-ass training system in place increases employee retention and reduces turnover. Yes, I said ass. It's my YouTube channel. The truth is, we all know how sucky it is to hire new people all the time and then train them again with some crappy training system or no training system at all. So the question you need to ask yourself is, are you happy with your staff and are you happy with your training process? Okay, we get it, Dave. Training's awesome. Get to the frickin' point. The title of the video says free training workshop. Where the hell is it? Okay, fair enough. The point is, my goal in all this is to help my clients and help all of you solve that #1 pain point. So I decided to bring in an expert, my good friend and colleague, Roger Bodwin from Restaurant Rockstars. He has a website, he has a podcast, he's an author, he's a speaker, and he works with restaurants all over the world. He is a true professional in the restaurant industry, and he has one of the most kick-ass training systems I have ever seen. And he's going to share his process for training your staff that will double or even triple your sales, not to mention the mega peace of mind you're going to have for having an awesome training system in place and a well-trained staff. The best news about all this? Roger's giving away all the goods in a free webinar and workshop that's going to show his exact process for training rockstar employees step by step. All you need to do is click on the link below this video to register for the webinar. We have multiple times available, and you don't even need to leave the comfort of your own home and drive hundreds or thousands of miles to Roger's house to learn these lessons, though I'm sure he'd love to have you. But you don't have to. You can simply sit on your comfy couch with your laptop, stuffing your face with Cheetos, Or you can watch on your phone while driving and stuffing your face with Cheetos. Just kidding. Don't eat Cheetos and drive. All joking aside, if you've been wanting a better trained staff but you've been putting it off, do what successful people do. Take some action, sign up for the free workshop, and take your restaurant to new heights. And then you'll want to make sure that you stay tuned to the end of the webinar. We have a special offer for people who register and watch and learn. You're definitely going to want to see what that offer is. And that's going to do it for the day. I'm super fired up to have you here. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. If you have any questions at all, you can leave it in the comments below this video. And that's going to do it. What are you looking at? Go sign up. Get your staff trained. I'll see you there. I'm out.